Hello again. We're going to do some adding of polynomials. Okay? So when we add polynomials, if I'm going to add m squared plus 2m minus 5 and m to the 4m to the third plus 3, I'm just going to write it out like this. M squared plus 2m minus 5 plus 4m to the third plus 2. Okay? So what I do is I start down here and I'm going to circle the sign in the term, or the term in the sign. So I have plus 2. And over here I'm going to circle this sign in the term. And then I'm going to circle the sign in the term, the sign in the term, and then this term here. Okay? First thing I want to do is, on a problem like this, I want to find the biggest exponent that I can find. All right, there's an m squared, but here's an m to the third. Okay, so I'm going to do 4m to the third. All right, I'm going to start there, because this is the biggest exponent. You always want to start with the biggest exponent if you can. So we've already used that. That's a positive 4m to the third. I don't need to put the plus sign because it's assumed that it is positive. All right, the next thing I'm going to look for is my next biggest exponent. Okay, I'm going to look and see, and right here I have an m squared. That is a positive m squared, so I'm going to say plus m squared. Well, I used that one. I can cross it off. All right. Next, I'm going to look for see if there's any more m squareds. There are no more m squareds, so my next term is plus 2m, because that's m to the first power, right? Let's see if there's any more m's. There are no more m's. I can cross that off. All right. Looks like there are only constants left. So I have minus 5 and plus 2. I used those. Now let's see if there's anything in here I can combine. I can't combine m to the third and m to the second because they need to be the same exponent. Can't combine that, but I can do minus 5 plus 2. All right? Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. And I'll bring the rest of it down. 4m to the third plus m squared plus 2m. So my answer is 4m to the third plus m squared plus 2m minus 3.